Have you ever wondered if your brand new Tesla comes with a charger? It's a question that often pops up in the minds of those considering making the switch to electric vehicles. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Tesla chargers and answer the burning question, does Tesla come with a charger? Before we get into the specifics, let's understand the importance of charging infrastructure for electric vehicles. Unlike traditional gasoline-powered cars, EVs rely on electricity to operate. This means having access to reliable charging stations is crucial for their daily use. Tesla has taken a unique approach to charging its vehicles. Instead of relying solely on third-party charging stations, the company has built its own extensive network of superchargers. These high-speed chargers are specifically designed for Tesla vehicles and offer rapid charging times. The answer to this question is a bit nuanced. While Tesla vehicles do not come equipped with a home charger out of the box, they do include a mobile connector. This portable charger allows you to plug your Tesla into a standard household outlet for charging. However, for more convenient and efficient charging, especially for long-distance travel, investing in a home charger or using Tesla's supercharger network is highly recommended. If you're planning to primarily charge your Tesla at home, there are several options available. Tesla offers its own wall connectors, which provide faster charging speeds compared to the mobile connector. You can also opt for third-party home chargers that are compatible with Tesla vehicles. Tesla's supercharger network is a game-changer for long-distance travel. With thousands of supercharger stations located across the globe, you can easily find a place to charge your Tesla on road trips. The network is designed to provide fast charging, allowing you to quickly get back on the road. While Tesla's charging solutions are impressive, it's important to consider other factors when making your decision. If you live in an area with limited access to superchargers, or if you frequently travel outside of the Tesla network, you may want to explore other charging options, such as public charging stations or workplace charging. In conclusion, while Tesla vehicles don't come with a home charger included, they do provide a mobile connector for basic charging. For optimal convenience and charging speed, investing in a home charger or utilizing Tesla's supercharger network is highly recommended. By understanding the different charging options available, you can make an informed decision that best suits your needs and driving habits. If you're considering purchasing a Tesla or already own one, be sure to explore the various charging options available to you. Whether it's installing a home charger or utilizing the supercharger network, having a reliable charging solution will enhance your overall electric vehicle experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.